Hello friends. So today we will see how to make an API call in Angular. So API is basically the backend which provides the data, right? And from UI we will make API calls. For that we have used a dummy API where we will hit that API and get some data. So let's start. So to make an API call, we need to import a module in HTTP, right, in Angular, and that module is HTTP client module. And this module is a part of Angular column. HTTP client module, Angular common slash HTTP. And then we will go to the component in which we want to make a HTTP push. So we will do this in app component, and in the constructor we will inject HTTP client. So we have injected HTTP client, and now using HTTP we will make API call. So here if you see, we have injected HTTP client, and this .http gives us few functions. So you will see normal crude operation functions. This is a get. Then normally what we use is get, delete, patch, and post. Even when we use put. Okay. So for now we will do get. So in the get we need to pass URL, right? URL of the API from where we want to get the data. Then there are some other options like you can pass headers. So headers are basically used to pass a authentication header token. That, right? Then you can pass parameters as well. There are a lot of things. So simply right now we will use get, and to make a get call, we will use this dummy API. This is the URL, and then we have to subscribe in Angular. When we have in subscribe, we will get the data. This is the response. We can call it as a response. And so what we will try to console on this response first. Let's see. So if you see in the network tab, there was an API request. Right? This is the request. Status code. So we got successfully the data. And if we like this is the data, name, subject, and designation. And if you see in the console, this is the JSON data in the JSON form. So once we get the data, we can use it. So to use, what I'll do, I'll create one variable as any, and I'll assign this to, I'll assign the response to data. And then I'll use this data in the HTML. So show this div. There is something in data. And, data of me. And designation. Let's see the output. So if you see, there is some lag as well, because this data is getting fetched from API, and once it gets fetched, then it is displayed over here. Yeah. So to fetch the data, it takes some time, 10 minutes. So that's why whenever you make an API call, you will see some lag. So we'll see many more functions in coming videos on HTTP client. So that's all for now. In this video, we saw how to use HTTP client to make an API call. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.